Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and on this channel I share insights and information regarding studying in Portugal for those of you who are interested, and sometimes I share my experiences back when I was a student there and my current life now as a dentist in Paris. So if that's something that interests you, please stick around. So in my last video, I covered a topic about getting into a Portuguese university as a national living abroad. So now the question is, how if you don't have the Portuguese nationality or an EU citizenship? So you are considered an international student, and in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step to make sure you get into the university of your dream. So the process is similar in some ways, but there are important differences, such as you need a student visa and there are different application forms for you. So if that's something that interests you, let's jump into the video. Step 1, choose your application route. Route? The route. Route. Portugal usually offers two options of application for international students. Some nationalities such as Timorese and people from Palop may have access to a special application route. This route offers limited spots and it has a specific requirement. And if you meet those requirements, the application may be done through the Portuguese embassy or consulates in your home country. If you do not meet the requirement, you may also apply as an international student directly through the university portals. Each university have different requirements, so make sure to always confirm with them. Like I keep saying in the last video as well, I know. Usually, there is no entrance exam, but keep in mind, as an international student, the tuition fee might be higher for you. And a bonus way for you to become a student in Portugal is to get a scholarship, and I'll cover that more in depth maybe later on or in another video. We'll see about that. Step 2, meet the education requirement. To apply, you have to have a diploma that is equivalent to the Portuguese year 12. If your diploma is from other country, make sure it is translated, recognized, and legalized. I've already talked about that more in depth in the last video, so if you want to find out more about that, please go back and watch that video. If not, you can just leave some comments down below and I'll try to help as much as I can. One tip here, make sure to always confirm with the university if they require additional information or additional qualifications such as your Portuguese proficiency. Step 3, legalize all your required documents. This step is really important because the university could not accept any non-legalized documents, because how would you know if you just stole the documents or you just bought the documents? I'm joking, but you know what I mean. Also, I explained more in details about these steps in the last video, so be sure to check it out. After preparing all the required documents, translating them all, getting them all recognized and legalized in the embassy of Portugal or the consulates in your home country, now it's time for step 4, which is to apply for the university admission. If you apply through a special access program, this process usually is done all by the embassy in your home country. The required documents usually include your passport, high school diploma, a university application form, maybe your criminal record certificate as well, and if required, proof of your Portuguese proficiency. And secondly, if you apply as an international student, usually you do that directly through the university websites, and usually as well there is no entrance exams, but the requirements vary for each universities, so make sure to be in contact with them and always confirm what the requirements are, because it changes each time and depending on the university as well. Just a tip here, this route is more competitive, so be sure to apply early. After applying, I pray that everything goes well for you so you can get selected and get into a university that you like and doing a course that you like. So you can get to the step 5, which is receiving your acceptance letter. If you're accepted, the university will notify you and send you an official admission letter, and this is very important for the next step, which is to apply for your student visa. Since the visa application itself might be complicated and hectic for some of you, I'll make sure to make a video covering that. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Since you're not a Portuguese or a European citizen, you require a student visa in order to study in Portugal. And you can get this visa through the Portuguese embassy or consulate in your home country. When applying, make sure to ask them what are the required documents, because it may vary for each countries depending on where you live. So yeah, make sure to always confirm with them since the rules and regulations change very often as well. These documents may include your valid passport, your admission letter, your clean criminal record certificate, your health insurance, proof of financial means, etc. So the visa process might take quite a long time, so make sure to apply for it as soon as you get your acceptance letter. Now that all that is done, and I hope you get your student visa, and if you do, now it's time for step 7, which is prepare your move to Portugal and start your exciting journey. So in this step, just like any other people, make sure you arrange your accommodation before you go there. It's better to do that before, so when you go there you don't struggle finding a place to stay. Get your school supplies if required, get appropriate clothes. What I mean by that, if you live in a warmer country, you might need a warmer clothes, because Portugal can be quite cold as well, or the opposite way also applies. And yeah, anything that you need, make sure to prepare them, unless if you want to do them all in Portugal. So that is all for today, guys. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you like these videos, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share it with people who might need this video as well. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.